working on the Suburban today. Some hinge pins and new bushings. Got these on Amazon. Comes with E-clips, 4 pins, and 8 bushings. You know, a little bit different diameter. This is for the Suburban 99. You can see the E-clip right there, and then the bushings are actually in the hinge at the top, and then you can see that other one's bent back there. I think it's because it's missing a spring, and so I ordered it. And then we got this one down here where the bushings are actually in the door part of the hinge, where this one's on the body part of the hinge up there. So we got those bushings replaced, new pins in, and that's just to help the striker, you know. The door sagging and resting on the striker quite a bit. It seemed to make a little bit of an improvement, but I think I already damaged the latch a little bit. You can see it's kind of broken off there, but the door does close better now. I also got a new handle that I'm going to be putting on, so yeah, that'll hopefully do it for a while. Here's the old bushings. This one here was really worn out on the bottom hinge, top bushing, the one that's on the door. That one still got the knurling on it a little bit. That's what the pins look like. They came out. Looks like there might have been a little bit of wear on that one. There we go. So it was a pretty easy job. Just have to have somebody help you hold the door. I put a jack under the door. I just put that jack under the door, some wood blocks, and then have somebody hold the door so it doesn't fall over while you're replacing the bushings. Other than that, a couple punches and a hammer, no problem. Okay, so we're going to install this spring. The spring on my truck was missing. We're going to install this pin. You can kind of see it's cracked there and it's bent. This is where the weldment rides against this, and then the spring rides against there in the door. And then this is the tool for compressing the spring. So the spring number is 38436. This pin, the new pin, which I already put in, is from Dorman, and it's 38433. And then the door spring tool, and it says GM here, 484603. So I'll bring you over and I'll show you the pin. So you can see that we did both new pins, and it's got an E-clip on top, and then you can see the weldment on the bottom. So since both of the springs were missing, I'm not really sure how it goes. I think what it does is it goes right up in here. Yeah, right there. Let me see if I can get I think it goes right there, and then just back across here. So I'm gonna go compress the spring, and we're gonna try to put it in. I don't know if this is a common problem with these, but this thing's bent on both sides. Both springs are missing. This is the way I bought the truck, so. Alright. It says, safely removes and install door springs on most GM cars. Uses a 1/2-inch wrench. Alright, to install the door spring, turn the nut clockwise to compress the spring until it is compressed tightly enough to fit in the designed area. Turn the nut counterclockwise to decompress. Okay. Now we just got to figure out where to put it on there. Oh, it's pretty easy. Opens up, I'm assuming is probably as far as it'll go. Alright, there it is. Figure that's in there enough. If this thing goes flying out, we'll capture it on video. Hopefully this ratcheting wrench will be ideal for this. This is a cheap tool. I feel like it's kind of bending a little bit. Let's go see if we're anywhere close. Just set up in here. Alright, I'm not sure how much you're going to be able to see because I got to get in here, but let's see what this spring thing is looking like. Okay. Yeah, that looks like it needs to go a lot more. Let's see if that looks better. Oh, we're getting there. Just a little more. I think we're in. I'm almost thinking we can maybe pry this in here because this tool, the way it's overlapping, I think it's stopping. The spring's already compressed as far as it's gonna go. So, I'll see if the screwdriver will get her in there. Okay, let's see if we can get this spring in here. Come on now. Alright, so that looks like it's in. So I just gotta loosen her up. I'd suggest a ratcheting wrench for this deal. Just seems like the easiest way to do this. Just a little bit concerned about this back part. It's on that lever. Okay, it seems like it's... There she is. Oh, excuse me. Oh, that's better. Right up in there. Alright, so, yep, there she is. So hopefully, we'll try closing the door a few times, see how that works. Oh, yeah, I'm not used to that pressure. Yeah. Gonna put some grease or something on that. Okay. Alright, let's see how she does. Well, at least the door will stay open now. Who knows how long that thing's been missing out of there. Well, that's that. Thanks for watching my video. Catch me on the next one. See you out there.